Hi, my name is Francesca and I'll be talking about the appropriate age for children using social media. Social media has become part of everyday life ever since technology became more advanced. So what is social media? Social media are websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. When signing up for social media, the general age restriction is 13 and above. There are many points as to why I think the age restriction for signing up for social media should be 16 and above. Some of the points are: do they follow or obey the rules? Will the child be affected by what's shown in social media? What is the child's social skills like? Have their parents talk about awkward things or obscene materials? The current age restriction for famous social media like Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Tumblr, and more is 13. There are many things in social media that are certainly not for children. Social media has been the platform for people to share positive information and also negative information for people. There are many risks, including graphic content, security risk, and adult content. Social media is now a place where people would share anything they like, and this could be a gasoline for cruel behavior. There are many moments where people will go on social media and share their drama in their private affairs and would destroy their relationship with that person. Nowadays, children would talk to their friends on social media instead of using face-to-face communication. This could be before COVID-19. Many studies show how face-to-face communication is important. This teaches children how to develop skills to read nonverbal cues when talking to people. When some nonverbal cues are facial expressions, tone of voice, and gestures. Relying on social media to communicate will damage their opportunity to learn this form of communication they will need to use in the future. Children using social media early in their age will for sure believe everything they read or see online. They could also be exposed to sensitive, upsetting, and inappropriate content, and it could influence their behavior and how will they think. The question is, can they process what they've seen, and would it influence them negatively? If so, they shouldn't be on social media. Experts like Pete Brown, an experienced IT educator at a leading Washington private school, and Dr. Christy Goodwin, an academic and author specializing in children's digital safety, have put in their professional opinion on what's the right age that children should be on social media. Let's have two examples, Instagram and Snapchat. For Instagram, Brown suggested that they should be 16 and above. Brown suggested 16 and above because Instagram shows adult content and graphic content. As for Snapchat, both Brown and Dr. Christie said they should be 16 and above. Snapchat is an application where people will communicate using pictures. There are many instances where people would use this for inappropriate content. So in my opinion, and the things I pointed out, I believe that children should be at least 16 so they would have a better understanding of the things they've seen in social media. Thank you for listening.